Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a copper golem. To begin, you'll need 3 copper blocks and 1 carved pumpkin. Copper blocks are crafted from 9 copper ingots each, so you'll need 27 ingots in total. The carved pumpkin serves as the golem's head. Make sure you have these items ready before proceeding to the next step. Now let's assemble your golem. First, place a single copper block on the ground. Then, stack 2 more copper blocks on top of it, creating a vertical column. Next, place the carved pumpkin on the very top of this column, specifically on the center block. Once the pumpkin is placed, your copper golem will instantly come to life. Your newly created copper golem has a unique and interactive purpose. It will wander around your world and randomly press any copper buttons it encounters. This behavior can be incredibly useful for activating various redstone contraptions or simply adding a dynamic, living element to your base. Remember, they are not designed for combat or protection, but rather for engaging automation and exploration. Just like other copper items, your golem will oxidize over time, turning green. To prevent this, you can use a honeycomb on the golem to wax it, preserving its current copper stage. If you wish to reverse oxidation or remove wax, simply use an axe on the golem. This allows you to maintain its appearance as desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.